Hello everyone, my name is Noki Powell. My job title is Foster Care Case Manager. I work for a adoption and foster care agency. My hopes for this class is to really gain a better understanding of how trauma affects a person, and not just affect them, but their mental, their physical, and the people that are around them and that love them. So these traumas don't just affect them, but those around them as well, their loved ones, their friends, family. How best, sorry, I'm trying to read this. I also wanted to dig into this class to find out how best to help those traumatized people. The client that is going through the repetitive issues of being traumatized, how can I best serve them? What interventions is going to get them on their way to a healing, and to really find out how I can best serve them, and get a better sense of interventions. Studying trauma is relevant to my future career because I do plan on pursuing a higher level of foster care, social work, and to assist the children that are traumatized or abused physically or mentally. I need to know how to cater to them and provide services to them. I'll also be coming into contact with these children, and I need to know how to serve and make sure that they are getting the best care that they possibly can. I also will have to address and try to connect with the distressed child and their family. So I'm looking forward to this class to just find ways to learn how to better serve and be able to help these children and their family members through whatever trauma that they are experiencing. And that's it. So hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.